So it is 7 o'clock. I'm working on like 3 hours of sleep. Plowed yesterday and this morning, I think. Technically last night. But there's a pop-up store of Eastwood and we're headed there now. Hopefully there is some good deals. We'll be there in probably about 2 minutes. So we got some jack stands and sockets and a couple other little things. Nothing we really needed, just restock of stuff. We did need jack stands, so glad that we got those last night at the sale. But everything is back together. I figured out this is my USB, which is very important to charge the GoPro and my phone and the radio, so that's really important. So we got that back in, got to put this back in, but we're actually gonna see if this thing will fire right now. On, ignition, computer, fan turned on when I did that. So that means it's probably good. I don't know. We have to put a sensor temporarily in, so let me do that and then we'll try to fire it. So we figured out that I had the fuel pump wired wrong. Dummy me. But it does start but runs kind of crappy. So let's fire it up. What's going on, guys? We are gonna get the rear axle finally all welded out, and I'll put you guys on time lapse. I'm not gonna film everything, but you'll get the gist. So guys, we're about to do the ball joint delete systems. Gonna need some snap ring pliers, and also gonna need a ball joint press. So we have that. We also use our big press if we need it. So I'll put you guys on time lapse and enjoy. So we're gonna build a bash guard like we did on the front. These housings can take a beating, but as you could tell with this one, we installed a bash guard on this one. So we're gonna do the same thing on the one in the back. So I'll put you guys on time lapse and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So I forgot to take a video of it after, but it's on there. So now we have a bash guard on the back as well as the front, so we can really hit stuff. So we took the front axle completely apart to re-gear it. We made sure our spare axle shafts fit. We checked the other ones. There's no twisting at all in the shafts that were in it, but we're gonna get it re-geared. We're gonna drop them off at the 4x4 place. So we're gonna get to painting the rear axle now. So we got the rear axle painted. It's a total mess in here. It's Monday night. We're gonna straighten up and probably cut 2 sets of each and cut an extra set for the front. Drop those off at the machinist, so when we get back from Texas we'll have those done. Our brakes are coming in, our hubs are at the machinist, so we'll pick those up when we drop off these, and we're gonna get that cut tonight. And I'm gonna look at making a skid for the Ram. I've got to fix a front leak in the radiator. I don't know where it's leaking from. I gotta pressurize it. So we dropped off our tires at the 4x4 place because we really don't have any room in here to do them, so that's a huge help. We also dropped off the gears because we're headed away this weekend, and that's one less thing, and they're fully capable of doing it. They have all the tools and the knowledge over there, so it's great to relieve some of these duties to our marketing partners. So the next video, hopefully this thing will be on its own weight. We're waiting on the seat. We got the floor started, so when we get back we'll get the rest of the floor done, and we're waiting on axle shafts. And when we get back Monday we'll get our drag links, or sorry, tie rods. So it's getting there. Our panels, you'll see them next video too. So until the next video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and you'll be notified when we upload another video. Catch you later.